Hello viewers, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I will be taking you through how to add intros and outros to your YouTube videos with just an easy method. Alright, with that being said, let's dive into the process. We will be using an app which is available on the Play Store. So we need to visit our Play Store on our devices. Let's wait for it to fully load. Okay. Then you type in the search button just type in Mobizin and you click on the search button. Okay. From the list of apps, you just need to select the first option. But as you can see, I have already downloaded the app. But as a first-time user like you out there, you will need to download and install as well. So I'll be moving right back into the app itself. As you can see, this is where the app lies on my device. You just need to tap on it and wait for it to respond. Okay, as you can see, it is welcoming us. Just need to click on the welcome. All right, you just need to click no free trial. All right. Just tap on any part of the screen. All these pop-up menus will disappear. Okay. Then after that, we will need to tap on the app menu again twice. So first you tap on it. You do that the second time. Then you wait for it to respond. You need to allow all this to have access to your media. All right. From here, you will need to click on the settings tab on top. Then you scroll down a little. Then you select this option which says add editor icon to whom. Add editor icon to whom. That is the option we'll be clicking on. Then you click on add automatically. And after that, just move back. Okay, as you can see, a new version of the app we just downloaded has been created, and that is meant for the purpose of which this video is made. So you just need to click on that option, which has a Caesar sign. Okay, then as you can see, we have intro, main. This is the main video, that is the big portion, and your outro. But you need to pick the main video first. So you just click on the plus. It takes you to this page. Then you click on the top right corner. All right, it takes us to our media. So you just need to scroll and pick the video you wish to use. Okay, I'll be using this. The video will appear here in a short while. All right, then you go back and pick your intro. All right, it will also be sent over there. Then you pick your outro. Then it will as well be sent over there. Okay. If you are sure everything is done, just click on the top right corner which says save for it to merge all these features for us. So we are going to wait a while the process takes place. Depending on the length of the main video, it might be longer or shorter in duration of processing. All right, so viewers, this is how you can use a free app on the Play Store to add your intros and outros to your YouTube videos as a YouTuber without the need of a computer. You can use this to ease stress when you are tired. You can relax whilst adding your intros and outros to your video just on your smartphone. If you like this video, kindly give me a thumbs up and leave comments below. This will help me improve my content for you and for us all. All right, it's almost done. If you are a new visitor to this channel, I will entreat you that you click on the subscription button and the bell icon as well, so you could be notified whenever I upload new videos. All right, it's almost done. Okay. The video will be automatically saved to your media after this. Okay, we have 100% now. Okay, that's great. So this is the video we've just edited on top right. All right, thanks for watching and see you in my next video.